Thank you so much. Hi everyone, my name is Honorable Umi, and we are here on behalf of, we are here at the courtesy of the ODM Youth League. As we know, the party has 3 functioning wings, and we are proudly one of the only few, I think the only party that has acknowledged every faction of the society. We are happy to announce that we'll also have a replacement in the just announced vacancy position within the House, and I am happy to welcome my brother Ketora to the House. The party is intact regardless of the prevailing political times. ODM stands for democracy through and through. So you can be assured that the party will still remain with its visions as we support the national agenda for the interest of the country. And we will also have our party invitation to come to Garissa for the ODM Youth League. We are still planning with the leadership, so kindly take note that there'll be a big meeting to also exemplify the agendas of the party. We are happy, and we are here as a party to also continuously encourage our party leader, who continues to stand with what matters for the larger country. And we are sure that if he goes to the African Union, we will have the visions of the larger African continent and the Pan-Africanism being entrenched. So we are fully supporting his endorsement, and we are praying for him. And from where we stand, we really encourage more people to come and join the party, because this is the only party that has gone for more than 15 years, and we want to ensure that there's no other party that can come close to the ODM. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Honorable Umi. Honorable Ruth Odinga.
Thank you very much. For me, I'm just happy that the party has decided to start with the youth. It shows how much this party actually cares for the youth. And this makes me happy. The train has left the station. And with you youth, I'm sure our party is now going to be felt very much on the ground. And I know you're going to work hard on doing the recruitment that we need for this party. And you can, as you can see, we're even going to go to Garissa. We're having people from Narok. We have everybody represented in the whole country, meaning that this is not a company. Yeah, this is actually the only party that is looking after the whole country. And so because of that, I know we are going to do well. We have got the shareholding of the whole country. There's nothing that we don't have shareholding. We have everybody represented in the whole country. Now it means now you start working, and we will be coming as leadership to ensure that anywhere you want us to come and give you the support you need, we are going to be there for you. All of us have promised that if you are going to go to Garissa, we are going to be there. Whether we're going to Narok and even Mombasa, Kwale will go to every place that we need to go. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Honorable Senator Osotsi, Deputy Party Leader.
First, I